What's good, Tigers, and welcome to Cooking with Danny. Okay, I need the directions. Not the directions, but make sure I'm doing everything right, because y'all am not no pro cooking. Okay, so we're gonna use half of this. This is Tuscan heat spice. So, okay, that's enough. Okay, so here's the chicken. Water running. So we're gonna pat it dry and season it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is.
Cook the chicken. Put our stove on medium hot. Olive oil. And we're gonna heat up a large jiggle of it. So, our zucchini is finally ready. Still heating up, but it's about ready. And then we're gonna add our chicken to it, and yeah, it's definitely ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken. Yeah, I don't know. I think I just burnt the oil. Hold on. Okay, so these chickens are done. Oh, I'm dropping it. And wait, pretty basic. I'm gonna put my chicken in the microwave so my parmesan can melt. Okay, y'all. Get it.